In Huntersville, our focus is advancing additive manufacturing technologies and increasing the reliability and production readiness to the point where it's equivalent to more traditional manufacturing methods, while at the same time maintaining those advantages that 3D printing offers. In Charlotte, we have a great facility that's vertically integrated. So we use our own Oerlikon Metco powder, and the powder goes into 26 laser metal powder bed printers where we print the parts. Those parts are then post-processed with heat treatment, machining, coatings, and inspection, and then delivered as fully complete components to our customers. Additive manufacturing is offering a number of advantages, from improved performance, reliability, and durability to cost savings, and in some cases, health and human benefits. One of the key areas are cold plates. With additive manufacturing, we can print cold plates that are much more efficient and in many cases lower cost than current cold plates. The next generation of equipment improves. It's got a higher heat load, a higher thermal load, and we have to work with our customers to help reduce that load and increase the performance of those cold plates or heat exchangers to allow for the performance benefits. Oerlikon's business in additive manufacturing is growing significantly along with the market. In the past, we've seen a lot of rapid prototyping in small volumes, but what we're seeing now is parts are actually qualified for production. And when that hurdle is met, that hurdle is overcome for qualification, that opens up the door to full production. If you have an application that you're interested in transitioning to additive manufacturing, or you've developed it for additive manufacturing, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. We can look at that application. We can help you develop it. We can help you qualify that part and then transition it into a production, even large-scale production.